Okay, for the second part of the assignment A1.2, you're going to download additional information such as sustainability criteria, smoke development, sound ratings, that kind of thing. If you haven't already done that, oftentimes it's easier to do it in the beginning. And then we're going to create a material swatch and actually look at the relationship in a parametric environment where the material is not only an aesthetic piece of information, but also has data that's attached to it that can also be loaded into a schedule. And we're going to look at how Revit connects parametrically the schedule and the data and the material, and start to sort of dip our toe into how it organizes things. And so we're going to tag things using that data, and you're going to apply the material to a predetermined template. And you're going to produce 3 sheets for me. And so the resources are pretty much the same as for the beginning. I did add some seamless textures if you haven't done that in Photoshop before, but we'll go through that as well. And then there's just a little checklist at the end, again, to help you make sure you have all the information that you. So here's the first sheet for the A1.2. You're going to download additional information. You can see sustainability information and acoustics. And then I just put an image here because I didn't have any additional information for this one. And then you're going to develop a material. So you can see the material application here for the floor, wall, and ceiling. And we're going to look at it in 2 different representations, one in a hidden line and then one in a realistic texture. And we're going to tag those, and we're going to see how Revit actually comes in and will fill this stuff out for us. I've given you a Revit material takeoff schedule that will actually do costing for you, and give you an estimate. And then you can enter these other additional things, and we'll take a look at that. So you'll do 1 sheet for the ceiling, the floor, and the roof. So here's the one for the floor, pretty simple. And here's one for the wall. Sorry, not the roof, the wall. And so it's just a consistent representation over and over and over again. Okay.